One of the issues I've had with using these watercolor palettes is that it doesn't allow you to mix small quantities. Like in this one, you can see there's some dirt in it, and that's not, I don't want, this one has some dirt in it and I don't like that, but I want to be able to make different colors, just slightly different shades, if you will. So, hot melt glue gun comes to the rescue. This has been working pretty well. I'm going to just take a bead, and I'm no expert at this, of course. And I have run out of glue stick. Do you believe it? I do. Okay, we're back. Sort of. And it's not any big deal. It's just that I am certainly no expert at doing this. That's not quite halvesies, so we'll do this one. Ta-da! And after that dries up, it does make a barrier, and the paint can't get underneath it. And that's the tip of the day. The other one would be don't get your finger in the hot melt glue. It is hot.